Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope my bachas are very good in health. Today we are going to have again mensuration in our Maths 2 class. If you are remembering, your previous video was related to the mensuration. In that video we had seen certain tricky ways to remember the formula. Now if you have done with that video, then this chapter will be very easy for you all, because the whole chapter is totally depend on the formula. Means how much thorough you are with the formula, the sums will be that much easier for you. Okay, so let's start your chapter number 7, that is mensuration, practice set 7.1. Okay bacha, all the formula what we are going to use for solving the sums of this practice set is present in your textbook, page number 140. So by the name of Allah, let's start your first question of the exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Find the volume of the cone if the radius of its base is 1.5 cm and its perpendicular height is 5 cm. Now for solving any of the question, as I always used to say, that go through to the question again and again and try to take out the given part. Here the given part is radius and the height. Radius of base ultimately mean as radius, and we used to denote it by small r. The same way perpendicular height is nothing but your small h. Now here the main thing that you should remember about the formula of the volume of the cone. If you recall your previous video, there I had given you line as leave bed, don't get attached. Therefore, volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h. So let's have your formula. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Now let's follow your step for solving the sum, as we always used to do. That firstly examine your question, and then after, while entering to the solution, first thing given, then to find, and then look about the solution by using your particular formula. So let's have your solution. First thing, collect your given. The first given you had seen in the question as r is given as 1.5 cm. So do write it as radius of base r is equal to 1.5 cm. Next given perpendicular height, that is h is equal to 5 cm. Next presentation will go as to find. Write here to find volume of the cone. Now let's get into the solution. Put your formula and then fill your value. Whatever thing is cancelling there, cancel it, and the remaining will going to multiply to have the answer. So the solution, first step, write formula. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Now this pi, as a previous knowledge we are knowing, the value of the pi goes as 3.14 and 22/7. As per convenience, we are using any of the one value, but if it is mentioned properly in the question to use 3.14, that time you have to use 3.14 only. If it is mentioned 22/7 to use, then you have to use 22/7 only. As in the question here, no specification related to pi is given. So as per the question demand, the cancellation part will select r any of the pi value. Here the question given part is having 1.5, so it is very convenient to use the value of pi as 3.14. So fill your values. Clear beta? Now in this step you can see one square is there, so first we will expand it. What is the 15 square? 225. In the terms of point, it will get as 2.25. So we'll write the next step as clear. Now just multiply all the thing and divide it by the 3. So multiplying will get 35.325 divided by the 3. So you will have your answer as 11.775. You can stop here also, or you can convert it into the 2-digit number. For converting 2-digit number, what you have to look about that last digit, if it is equal or greater than 5, you have to remove that digit and increase one number in the previous. That is, here it is 5, so we'll remove 5 and previous number 7 will get as a 8. Or 9. So you can write over here as 11.78 centimeter cube. So the final answer. Clear about beta? Now move to the question number 2. Find the volume of the sphere with the diameter 6 centimeter. Now what is the formula for the volume of a sphere? Yes, it is 4/3 pi r cube. Now here in the formula r is given, but in the question diameter is given. Now you are knowing that diameter and r is having a relation among. Yes, while डबलिंग दी r, जब r को आप डबल करेंगे तो आपको डायामीटर मिलता है, और डायामीटर को आप 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको r मिलता है. तो अगर डायामीटर 6 सेंटीमीटर है तो व्हाट विल बी r? यस, इट विल बी 3 सेंटीमीटर. सो लेट्स फॉलो द सॉल्यूशन स्टेप्स. Firstly, write your given. What is given? Just a single one given is there, that is diameter is equal to 6 centimeter. We'll write radius here in the given itself. So the radius is nothing but dividing diameter by 2. So to have the answer as 3 centimeter. Next step will follow as to write to find. क्या find करना है? Volume of sphere. Now write your formula. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Again the question with the pi. You can use any of the value of the pi. Here I am using 3.14. Firstly, I'll take out the cube of 3. I'll expand it in a way 3 into 3 into 3. Why? Because here the upon 3 is given. So it will help me to cancel one of the 3. Okay, so it will look like this. I'll cancel my one of the 3. So it will goes as 4 into 3.14 with the 2 remaining 3's. Okay, now just multiply. You will get your answer. Write your final line. Therefore, the volume of the sphere is 113.04 centimeter cube. Make sure you will see complete video very carefully, and then after again you will revise the video and you will take down each sum in your fair notebook properly by titling chapter number 7, exercise 7.1. Okay, let's have question number 3. Now here we are having question number 3 as find the total surface area of a cylinder if the radius is 5 centimeter and height is 40 centimeter. First step, just go through the question again to have your given part. You can see 2 given parts are there. One is r, one is h, and then after which formula it is asked to use? Total surface area of a cylinder. So total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. Start your solution steps. Firstly, write your given. First given, r is equal to 5 centimeter. Next given, h is equal to 40 centimeter. To find total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, solution. Write your formula. Total surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r in a bracket h plus r. Again, your pi is all up to you. As per your convenient, you can use any of the pi value. The first step in this will go to solve your bracket. So 40 plus 5 will be 45. So appearance will go as 2 into 3.14 into 5 into 45. Now just to multiply all the numbers, so to have your answer, make sure you are calculating here as the area. While calculating area, the unit will deal as a square centimeter. Whereas while calculating volume, your unit will be cubic centimeter. You are in the chapter mensuration, so the measurements and the unit are very important and hold the marks in the SSC board exam. So don't forget to mention unit. So the final line will be, therefore the total surface area of a cylinder is 1413 square centimeter. Clear beta? Now let's have your question number 4. Question number 4. A very simple, sweet, chota si question. Find surface area of a sphere with the radius 7 cm. First thing, only one given is there, that is 7 cm. इशू वाली चीज जो इसमें है वो आपको फॉर्मूला याद होना चाहिए. किसका फॉर्मूला? सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर. एक चीज आप याद रखेंगे, चाहे सरफेस एरिया लिखा हो चाहे टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर लिखा हो, फॉर्मूला एक ही है दोनों का. कौन सा है? 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर, जिसमें से आर आपको गिवन है, पाई आपकी मर्जी है, 4 भी फॉर्मूले का पार्ट है. सो लेट्स फॉलो योर स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप, यस, राइट योर गिवन, that is r is equal to 7 centimeter. Next to find, then after solution put your formula. Now here pi, as the r is 7, so it will be very convenient to use 22 upon 7, so the 117 will get cancelled. So I am using here 4 into 22 upon 7, 7 to 7 will get cancelled. I will just multiply my numbers to have the answer. Then after, as I am calculating area, so I will put unit as centimeter square. Write your final line. The surface area of a sphere is 616 centimeter square. एक मासूम सा सम is over. Okay? Next, अब धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे आप अपने एक्सरसाइज में आगे बढ़ेंगे, स्लाइटली मगरमच्छ का मुंह खुलना शुरू होगा. मतलब सिंपल फॉर्मूला आप डील कर चुके, धीरे धीरे उसी फॉर्मूले को बड़े कंडीशनल सम्स में कैसे यूज करना है वो भी हम देखते जाएंगे. सो लेट्स हैव योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. रेडी बच्चा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द डायमेंशंस. डायमेंशन टर्म मैंने पहले भी बताया है, इसका मतलब होता है लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट इन द रिस्पेक्टिव वे. मतलब तीनों लाइन से डायमेंशंस ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड आर एल, बी, एच. ठीक है, एल इज इक्वल टू 44, बी इज 21 एंड एच इज इक्वल टू 12. इट इज मेल्टेड. पहली चीज का ये हमारे पास क्यूबॉइड को मेल्ट किया जा रहा है. ठीक है, फिर कोन में कन्वर्ट करना है. मेल्टेड एंड कोन ऑफ अ हाइट 24 सेंटीमीटर इज मेड. फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ इट्स बेस. किसके बेस का रेडियस फाइंड करने बोला है? कोन के. मतलब आपके पास क्यूबॉइड है, डायमेंशन ऑफ क्यूबॉइड LBH दिया है, तो वेरी क्लियर है कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड यूज होगा, जिसका फॉर्मूला LBH है. ठीक है बच्चा? उसके बाद बोल रहे कि जो क्यूबॉइड है उसको मेल्ट करके आपको क्या बनाना है? कोन. सो द फॉर्मूला for the volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. दोनों के गिवन पार्ट्स हैं हमारे पास, हम दोनों के गिवन पार्ट्स लिखेंगे. और क्या यहाँ पे दिया जा रहा है कि जो क्यूबॉइड था उसको आपको कंपेयर करके क्या कर देना है? कोन में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो हम दोनों के फॉर्मूले को कंपेयर करेंगे. ठीक है, फर्स्टली विल कलेक्ट द गिवन ऑफ both the thing individually. Means firstly we'll write the given of the cuboid, that is LBH, you can see here. Clear beta? Then for the cone we'll write the given for the cone. Understood? From the question I have written both the given separately. Then after, to find thing I'll write radius of the base of the cone. Now in the solution we have to compare both the geometrical figures. So here we'll write it as volume of the cone is equal to volume of the cuboid. As both the formula is mentioned in the figure, I'll follow my formula. And then after, I'll put the values with the help of the given. I fill my all the values over here. You can see I had utilized my pi as 22/7. Now here to calculate thing is r. So I'll keep my r at one side and I'll send my all the thing on the other hand side of the equal. Okay, so the next step will appear like this. Now I'll cancel my thing, whatever is getting cancelled. As you can see, 22 and 44 with the table of the 11 get cancelled over here. 12 and 24 will get cancelled, and then after whatever thing will be remaining, I'll write in the next step. Now it is r square, and whereas I am looking for just r, so I'll apply taking square root on both the sides. So this r square will get as r, and these pairs of the same number will come out by the single, that is 7 and 7 will be just a 7, 3 with the 3 will just the 3. So 7 3s are 21. So my next final answer will be r is equal to 21 centimeter. Better do not forget to mention your reason. Clear? Write your final line. The radius of the base of the cone is 21 centimeter. Clear by this sum? Let's have your next question. Question number 6. Now here in this question, two different figures are given. Just look about the question. Observe the measure of the pots in the figure 7.8 and 7.9. How many jugs of a water can the cylindrical pot hold? मतलब जब आप इस कॉनिकल जग से वाटर इसमें पोर करेंगे तो क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग कि आपको कितना जग इसमें डालना पड़ेगा दैट योर सिलेंडर विल गेट फिल्ड. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव योर फर्स्ट थिंग एज गिवन. सो लेट्स कलेक्ट योर गिवन फर्स्ट. पहले हम इसका गिवन लिखेंगे, फिर इसका, दोनों का हम लोग सेपरेट पहले गिवन कलेक्ट कर लेंगे ताकि हमें आगे फिर इजी हो फॉर्मूला में पुट अप करने के लिए. लेट्स हैव योर फर्स्ट गिवन. फॉर कॉनिकल वाटर जग आई एम यूजिंग स्मॉल h as height, that is 10 centimeter, small r is 3.5 centimeter, because again here I am going to have h and r. So this time I'll use for the cylindrical part as capital R, capital H. I'll follow my figure, I'll fill my values. Now here what is asked कि how many jugs. So to find I'll write as number of jugs of water required to fill cylindrical pot. अब हमको कितना उसमें डालना है मीन्स वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट सर्टेन नंबर. सो बी रिमेंबर गोज वेन एवर यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग एनी ऑफ द नंबर you should not mention unit, means there will be no centimeter, meter, there will be answer just in a terms of number, means 2, 5, 12 like these answer will come, no centimeter, meter will be there. Second thing to note down over here is while calculating number you should divide to particular thing कि इसमें से इसमें कितना जा रहा है, means you will divide them. So your formula for this question will be as number of the jugs of a water required to fill cylindrical pot is volume of a cylindrical pot upon volume of the conical jug. दोनों का फॉर्मूला हमको पता है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर भी और वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन भी. तो हम दोनों फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे पाई आर स्क्वायर एच अपॉन 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. यहाँ पर देखो दोनों के पास पाई पाई आया है तो नो नीड ऑफ पुटिंग पाई वैल्यू. इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल कैंसिल डायरेक्टली पाई. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप. विल कैंसिल आर पाई. वी हैड फिल रेस्ट ऑफ द वैल्यूज. 10 and 10 is repeating, so it will get cancelled. So the remaining is 7 square. In the next step we'll just open our 7 square as 7 into 7. Same way will follow for the 3.5, and here this 1/3 will send this 3 up due to the rule of reciprocal. So our next step will look like this. 7 into 7, नीचे से 3 ऊपर आ गया, 3.5 into 3.5. Now here I can see this 7 and 3.5. If I'll read it as 35, it will be 7 1s are 7 5s are 7 1s are 7 5s are. But due to this point, this cancellation will fall as 7 1 जा 7 5 जा की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे 0.5. सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल अपीयर एज 3/0.5 इंटू 0.5. ये जो दोनों पॉइंट है इसको हम क्रॉस करके ऊपर 0 लिख देंगे, जैसे कि मैंने पॉइंट की शिफ्टिंग आपको क्लास में पहले ही सिखाई है. So we'll increase 2 0 in the numerator to reduce this point number from the denominator. So next step 3 into 100 upon 5 5 are 25. Now 5 1 are 5 4 are 3 4 are 12. Okay, make a note, no unit will be there. Why? Because we are calculating number of jugs. We are calculating number. So the answer is 12. So write your final line as therefore the 12 jugs of water required to fill cylindrical pot. Clear about the sum? So note down all the sums properly in your notebook. And if you are having any doubt, let me know. Okay. Complete your work. See you all soon, bachcha. Enjoy your day. Thank you.